Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply extend your battery life by enabling ultra power saving mode. In order to do it, you will need to find the settings. Then in the settings, go to battery. Now go to ultra saving mode, enable it and click on OK. And then it'll turn into this screen, and that's your whole phone right now. It has 6 apps by default. You can edit it by clicking on the edit button and remove some of those, and you can add up to 3 more. So in total 6 apps. All of the other ones will be just disabled, and your screen is dark. And yeah, basically that's how it works. I don't know. The airplane mode is there only because I had it enabled earlier. It's not like it enables itself automatically. It's just that it was there earlier because before I entered it. And when you want to leave it, click on this button right here and click on OK. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.